I believe that we will. I believe that we will.
Hi, my name is Walker Schoening, and this is episode 9 of Trojan TV. This Wednesday was Unity Day. Students and staff wore orange to support anti-bullying.
October is National Bullying Prevention Month, and you can see here we have students wearing orange in our building. This was held on Wednesday, October 18th, and this was called Unity Day. The orange is a visible message that shows our support against bullying, so you could kind of see just that orange throughout the school, just taking a stand against bullying. We want every student in our building to feel safe and supported, and it also stands for just kindness and acceptance and inclusion within our school. My class did actually make the t-shirts, and they were able to design those, and we had a classroom winner, and then we made those shirts for our school and sold them. Our students also made posters around the building, some inspirational messages, and then we just really celebrated it that day by, again, wearing that orange and showing our support against bullying. They were able to also produce and write a message to our school in video form and had some really cool jobs and opportunities that they probably wouldn't get in the traditional classroom. So it was a really cool project for them. They loved it, and it was just a great day. So that is Unity Day.
Next up, a look at some recent results from fall sports.
Our extremely talented girls tennis team brought home its third consecutive state title this weekend. Coming in first in doubles was Anna Jitaway and Brooke Walker. Emma Jitaway and Biz Gaddis came in third in doubles. On the singles side, Molly Gaddis got third and Mia Jaramillo placed sixth. Congratulations. Here's a look at the state event and their walkthrough on Monday. Girls golf wrapped up its season this week with a 7th place finish at state. Reagan Newsenberry came in 2nd place and Isabel Hawley got 22nd. Here's a look at some golf footage. Finally, a look at the Andover Central football game from last Friday night at Riverfront Stadium. We interviewed students ahead of the game to get their score predictions. Following that, we will see some great photos taken by our photographers. Let's take a look. What will the final score be, Andover Central football?
7-40.
7-3.
Okay.
23-1.
Okay.
Andover is going 3, and Central is going 40.
So Andover 0, Central 50.
Andover 26, Central 10.
7-28.
Probably 45-0.
7-21.
It's gonna be 20-7.
All right. 27-3.
There you go.
I think Andover's gonna get 7, and Central's gonna get 42.